I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love. I take a deep breath every time I pass your door. I know you're there, but I can't see you anymore. And that's the reason you're in the dark. I've been a stranger ever since we fell apart. And I feel so helpless here. Watch my eyes are filled with fear. Tell me, do you feel the same? Hold me in your arms again. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love.
Småringning.
Ja, men lätt.
If you're the bird, whenever we pretend it's summer, then I'm the worm. I know the part, it's such a bummer, but fair is fair. If my segments get separated, I'll scream, and you'll be there. Close your eyes, slide the cotton off of your shoulder and feel the shine. I'm hooked, so toss me over and cast a line. I'll throw a party and greet my undersea friends as they arrive. You and I left our troubles far behind, but I still have just one more question on my mind. For all my pals who live in the oceans and the seas, with friends like these, that we were meant to be. We were meant to be.
Lying down in front of our house in the summertime, in the summertime. I wish I'd had a house in the Caribbean, the Caribbean. I saw a commercial on my television about the Caribbean, and we could go there. Caribbean, Caribbean, and we could go there. Caribbean, Caribbean.
á bólnum og skýrtunni.
Just like an oven, I need some loving. And baby, I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger. And when I get that feeling, I want sexual healing, sexual healing. Oh baby, makes me feel so fine. Helps to relieve my mind. Sexual healing, baby, is good for me. Sexual healing is something that's good for me.
Ég að snorkla og snorkgræðin lag hjá Rögnu, þannig að Ragnar bara náði dótið sitt og ég bara að dandarast hérna á ströndinni og bíða eftir henni. Alda, og nú Alda færi. Ragnar.
This is you ending fire, and we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. And I see fire alone, so I see fire burning the trees. I hope that you remember me. Surely I'll do the same. Confined in mountain holes, we got too close to the flame. Calling out, Father, oh, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn open on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire alone, so I see fire burning the trees. And I hope that you remember me.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab crabs in the bucket, can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one picking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Oh, Valley boy, let's way back. I got a feeling it's a black ASAP.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I never had before, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before, no, I get a good feeling.
Jumping up and down the floor. My hat is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away.